Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 7 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at SMS this week. I know you can see from some of the pictures in the connection that we had lots of things ongoing. We do want to take a moment and just thank everyone who supported the Cougar Hill Farm Mum fundraiser. I think they sold close to 500 mums, so it was an excellent fundraiser for that group. So congratulations, Cougar Hill Farm. Thank you for all your hard work, and thank you to the community of parents for supporting that. We do have several things upcoming this week. We have a lot of sporting events. Monday, there's going to be an admin team meeting at 2. Site-based council will meet at 4:15 in the library. Girls basketball was home against Mason County on Monday. Tuesday, girls basketball will be at West Carter. Wednesday and Thursday is the Continuous Improvement Summit. Also on Wednesday is See You at the Pole. Starts at 7 a.m. It's hosted by Cougars for Christ. It is a national movement to pray over students and our school, and we invite all community and parents to please join us that morning at 7 a.m. at the pole. This will take place out in the front yard around our flagpole. We just ask that if you are coming, please bring a mask, because I feel like we're probably going to be in pretty close contact with lots of other folks. Also on Thursday, it is Officer Jacob Hartzell's birthday, so congratulations, Officer Hartzell. And girls basketball will be at home against Bath County, and football will be at home playing PAL that night. Friday is Bring It Friday, as always, and this Friday will be our very first club day of the year. And last but not least, we do want to take a moment and recognize our student spotlight for the week. Congratulations to Hayden and Braden Williams. These two young men work daily on their farm. They work to train horses, and they get this passion from their father. They both show and train horses all summer long. Just last weekend, they competed in a grand finale that was held at the Kentucky Horse Park. Last weekend, 8th grader Hayden was awarded the reserve champion in the show pleasure division, while his brother, 7th grader Braden, claimed the reserve champion title in the western pleasure division. Congratulations to both Hayden and to Braden. We want to also recognize them because they both also play football on the Cougar football team. But I just want to take a moment and tell you guys I'm very proud of your accomplishments. I can't wait to see what amazing things you do beyond Simons Middle School, but also as a Fleming County Panther, and thank you for bringing it. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.